Good morning, students. In this video, we are doing the fifth chapter, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Now, in this chapter, we will again do the same concept which we did in the fourth chapter about the line segments, angles, all these things. Now, starting with the line, if I draw a line like this, A, B, how do we measure this? There are different ways to measure. For example, by just observing only, you can tell approximate value. Okay, just draw a line here. You can just tell by yourself, say for 7 centimeter. It may not be perfect. Now, this kind of a measurement is called as observation. Okay, just observe a line and you can just tell approximate value. This is one kind of a measurement, but disadvantage is we do not get the perfect measurement. Okay, we may get an approximate. Sometimes it might be incorrect as well, but we will never get the perfect measurement of a line segment. That is one. And the second one is comparing. For example, I have a line segment AB. Okay, I don't know this measurement. Now I have one more here, BC, 6 centimeter. Now I know this measurement is 6 centimeters. When you compare with this, it might be little less. So I can tell it is 5 centimeter. Okay. This is also one kind of a checking the measurement by comparing. This is one. The other one is there is a butter paper, a tracing paper. Okay. You can use the tracing paper and write an exact measurement. But again, the disadvantage is we don't know what is the measurement. But we can write the exact line, but the measurement will not be there. Now that is called as comparing. Okay, this is the second type of measurement. Now the third one is using ruler or a divider. Now in your instrument box, you have a ruler, which is also called as scale. But ruler is the correct word to pronounce or to use. Ruler and a divider. Now with the divider, again in the instrumentation box, you have two metal devices. One is compass, in which you have one end a pointer needle and the other one is pencil. The second one, wherein you have two pointer needle, that is called as divider. So it will be something like this. Now in this, how do we do the measurement is, draw a line AB, take this, get the measurement and put it in a ruler. Now ruler is nothing but the scale. Once when you get the measurement in the divider, put it here and check the measurement. That is one, and that will give you the accurate measurement. Even you can do a measurement using a ruler. Compared to ruler, divider gives you an exact measurement. Now in this, these are the three different types of measuring a line segment. Now a line segment, how do we do the measurement? Either we can do an observation, just observe and give an approximate value. Second one is comparing. You can draw an exact line using a butter paper or a tracing paper, but you will not get the exact measurement there. You will not know what measurement is that. The third one is using a ruler or a divider, which gives you an accurate measurement. When you use a divider, you will get an accurate compared to the ruler. Okay, and that is the very important advantage of using a divider. Now the next concept is angles. Now in the previous chapter, we have studied different types of angle. Now in this, let's concentrate on a right angle and a straight angle. Now, I have it. Okay, these are the directions: north, east, west, and south. Now, whenever you see a straight line, this is a straight angle. And when you see a right, this is the right angle. So the right angle is always 90 degree. If it is a 90 degree, this will become 180 degree. This will become 270, and this will become 360. Now this complete revolution, one revolution is always equal to 360 degree. One revolution is 360. If I take how many revolutions, how many parts of revolution here you have? See here, it is complete. We have 4 parts. That means 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. These are the 4 parts of one revolution. If I ask you, half revolution is how much? Half revolution is this. It is 180 degree. 1/4 revolution is 90 degree. 1/4 is only this much. Half is 2/4, and 3/4 is 270 degrees. And one complete revolution will have 4 quarters. Now you can observe all these in your daily life clock you have, right? If you have a clock, a wall clock, wherein you have all the numbers, this is 0, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. Now this will become 1, 2, this is 4, this is 5, this is 7, this is 8, this is 10, this is 11. This is a clock, right? If I ask you one revolution, this is complete 12 o'clock. 12 hours is one revolution. If I ask you, this is 1/4. Let us see here, 90 degree. Now similarly, if I put a line here, this is 1. When will be the 1/4 revolution will be? 1/4 is 1, 2, 3. Now this is also 1/4 because it is starting from 1. If it's starting from 0, 1/4 will be 3. If it's starting from 1, it will be 4. If it's starting from 2, it has to be 5. Is 1/4 revolution. Now, you have a clock here. Now, if I tell this is 2, 1/4 revolution will be 1, 2, 3. This is 5. This is 1/4. Similarly, if I ask you half, which is a straight line, it will be 8 here. So all these are based on the revolutions. When I tell 3/4 revolution, it is nothing but 3/4 into 360 degree, which is 270. Okay, all these are revolutions, and it is all with respect to the angles. Now let's see what do we have in the exercise. Exercise 5.1. What is the advantage in comparing line segment by mere observation? See, when you do an observation, you will not get an exact or an accurate measurement, but when you do it in the same measurement using a divider, you will get an accurate. That is the advantage of it. Now, why is it better to use a divider than a ruler? See, if you see a ruler, okay, again, between the 1 millimeters, say for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is 1, this is 2. This is 1 centimeter. If this is 1 centimeter, this will be 1 millimeter. Now, between 1 millimeter, we have a space here, right? All these we cannot check in the ruler, but whereas in the divider we can do all those. Now just have a check on the exercise 5.1. Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Fifth problem. Verify D is the midpoint of AG. Zero. Okay, they're asking verify D is the midpoint of D is the midpoint of AG. This is a question. Now AG measurement, you see here, how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3. So that means these two are equal. If these two are equal, if AD is equal to DG, then D should be the midpoint. This is how you verify. Now in the next one, in exercise 5.2, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes to 3 to 9? What they're asking here is, now you have a clock here. Now this is 3. This is 6, 0, 9. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it is going from 3 to 9? That means it is going from here to here. How many revolution is this? This is half revolution. Half revolution of 24 hours or 12 hours. In this one complete, we have 12 hours. So it is 2 1 7 6. It is 6 hours. This is how you have to do. I want everyone to go through the exercise 5.1 first. Okay? Try to do all the problems, and if you have any clarifications, we will do it in the interactive session. And thank you so much, students. Have a good day. Bye.